Hi guys, I'm trying a new DIY hydrotherapy for my dog Bowie because she hasn't been able to walk for the last 4 months or so. We got back from UC Davis a couple days ago and the doctor says she has this condition called autoimmune polyarthritis. So basically her immune system is attacking all of her joints. But the good thing is she doesn't have like a tumor in her brain or in her spine, which could have been potentially fatal. And my dog could have died. So they give us some steroids and some nerve pain pills. But in the meanwhile, I had to figure out a way for her to regain her muscle strength because she lost like pretty much all of her muscle strength and she couldn't walk. Now she's starting to walk a little bit now with support, like a dog lift harness. But she still can't really walk by herself. She can sort of stand up. So I was actually researching hydrotherapy, you know, the underwater treadmill. No, I think that would work for slightly healthier dogs, but my dog couldn't even like stand up or walk. But I just started doing this a few days ago. It seems to actually really help her and also, you know, get that heart rate up, and she's actually eating more. Let's go take a look at Bowie. Hey guys, doing some hydrotherapy at home for my dog. I'm trying to trick her so there's less pressure while she's walking in this. Fill the tub almost halfway, and she can actually stand up. And I use my blueberries to make her move around. So this way she actually moves, because it's not like a treadmill where she has to go. Here you go, girl. You can do it. And this puts way less gravity, and you can see she's standing, and she's not putting too much pressure on it. And I know it's sort of cruel, but I gotta get her to walk and exercise a little bit. And the other exercise I can do is after she's done, I can let her just float her a little bit, and she'll try to swim. All right, and that really gets her back legs going, which she injured, and get her heart rate up a little bit. But try to start out slow, and then you can let the dog down when they get a little tired, and they can stand easily. The buoyancy of the water lets her stand a lot easier than on real ground. Here, turn around, and I've added a little bit more water now, and she's like moving a lot better, and she's realizing that she can actually walk around in the tub, because it's sort of in between just floating and not really floating. And you can see she's really following me, getting her to really move her back legs without hurting herself. So you can see she's standing up without putting the water's really holding. Oh, you want to swim? Gently support her, and they will automatically try to swim and move those muscles, and not using any gravity doing it. And then she realizes she can stand there, it really floats her up, and she's not too worried. So she's getting a lot better, but she just wants more blueberries. She's sort of having fun now. You can do it, Bowie. You can see she's using her legs now, because she's just not using her legs before, and this really helps. And after, she gets really hungry too. Come on, girl. Now she's actually walking. Now she thinks it's a game. Anyway, I think this is the second time, and I think she's getting better and better. Come on, girl. Over here. Get her to walk. All right, good girl. I'll go ahead and report on her progress, but this is, I think, a great way without having to actually take her to like one of those hydro places, because you know, so you can do it at home and save time and money, you know. And she's actually walking now. This is amazing. It's not putting pressure on her. She can. It's great. You don't have to fill it up all the way. Fill it up to like half of the body, then it'll help her sort of float, but not really. And I've slowly raised the water, even though she can stand. I lift her up a little bit, so she feel like she gotta like really paddle. And this puts zero gravity for her back legs, which is the biggest problem. She's actually kicking it much harder than I've ever seen in real life. Alright, but make sure to take breaks. And when she takes a break, she can actually stand on her own. It's almost weightless, so it's not putting any pressure in. She's able to rest, and we'll rest maybe 5 minutes. Give her some treats, so she feels like this is a fun thing. And I think we keep doing this every few days, and I think she'll be back on her feet in no time. Come on, girl. You can do it. And when I first started this today, she couldn't get there, but now she's moving way more. Over here. Over here, you can do it. And you can see, she's actually sort of half swimming, half walking, which is great. I'm actually really happy. I saw like a YouTube video, somebody just holding the dog, but sort of improvising. Whoop. Now she's falling, and now she has to swim, and she's not scared, and she's actually able to balance herself in the water. And I think maybe by next time she'll be an expert swimmer slash water walker. Good girl. Anyway, I think this is going to really work out for my dog. It's going to help her gain strength. I know there's going to be a lot of other people with dogs that have leg injuries and maybe they can't walk. And I think the worst thing that happened to her was that she couldn't walk, and she didn't walk for like a couple months. And it just, you know, even if you're perfectly healthy, that could be detrimental to your health and you may not be able to walk. So I think this is a great way to really help your dog recover from an injury. Especially you're in the water, there's zero gravity, especially when you're floating, and they can really stretch out their muscles, do some stretching. And I'll give you guys weekly updates just to let you know if it worked or not, but I think it's working. Sometimes you gotta get creative. I think this is a great way you can help your dog in your house if you have a small dog. If you have a large dog and if you have a pool, I would definitely try this in the pool. That would also work too. Anyway, have a great day, hit the thumbs up, and as always, stay on Bowie.